Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and so much more. Come check it out. Right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors with lots of extra paneling, cup holder storage on the bottom, equipped with a rear liftgate control as well as your seat memory. Be accompanied by your speakers. Comes up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows with the chrome accent handle. And moving on to the seats, just the driver's screen power adjustable. They're both leather heated with that yellow stitch, very comfortable. Left side, you're gonna have your vents and your lighting control. And left side is steering wheel, you're gonna have your cruise control, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and as well as your heated steering wheel. The right side is your voice recognition and odometer control. So with the cluster control, pretty much access all of your vehicle information from your economy to your vehicle information, including your air filter, oil filter, music, navigation, and also phone connectivity. And then there's other settings as well. Push to start, you're gonna have your climate control here with your auto stop right above it and the heated seats. And here onto the infotainment system, like I said, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, also equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto and other apps downloadable, as well as OnStar services and navigation. Down below, you're going to have 2 USB ports as well as an SD card reader. You're also going to have a wireless charging pad with your park assist and all-wheel drive right next to it. And then your shifter, cup holders as well. And of course, with the center console with 2 extra USB ports in it. Passenger sides, manually adjustable. It's going to have that same finish though with the yellow stitch. It's going to go across as well. Speakers up top, and as well as you can access your reading lamps, your OnStar services, and your SOS. You're going to have these 18-inch aluminum wheels. You're going to have the paint match mirror caps, and as well as the keyless entry door handles. Luggage rack up top, deep tint rear glass. You're going to have the black badging as well. Power lift gate, of course, open it up. Don't mind those are just extra floor mats. You're going to have the 60/40 rear folding seats, as well as an extra 12-volt DC port with hooks in the back, and as well as extra wheel storage. It's a very spacious rear. And moving on to the rear, you're going to have the speakers again on the bottom, right next to your cup holder and storage. Comes up here to the power windows again. Opposite side, lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat with rear ventilation, rear USB ports, and on the very bottom you're going to have an AC wall charger. Right in the center, cup holder and armrest, and lamps and handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, also equipped with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, rear USBs, as well as luggage rack, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.